Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Another very eventful day on FNMA here, so I want to get some things updated here. And the big dynamic that occurred today from the technical point of view is in regards to this level here that had done a fantastic job of holding as support at $2.15. If you go through the history of things, you can see did a good job of holding that support, and then pretty much all morning long into the early afternoon, did a fantastic job of holding that support, but then eventually the price did break down below it right there, and then when that occurred, that is the situation that really opened up the floodgates, and down the price went from there. And I go through all that because that is also where the initial level of resistance is going to be at, and this is based on a foundation rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, not necessarily just on Thursday, but in the foreseeable future, any sort of bounce upwards, 215 is now going to be that key level of resistance that you'll want to pay a close attention to in the event, because this one can move pretty quick, that the price snaps back up here, gets through that level. Then the next immediate level you would want to keep an eye on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $2.29. So again, near-term level of resistance, 215. Next level after that, up there at that 50-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all, other than the fact of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that bleeding stopped right down there at the round number of $2. So $2 for that reason and that reason alone is going to be the key level to watch going forward from the support side of things. But yeah, all in all, a rough day, but we'll see if the price can indeed try to level out here, which is tempting to do. You got to give credit where credit's due. At least the price has started to go sideways here, and we'll see if that is some sort of leading indicator of a bounce to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.